To record this little I have to record this little short. Just got hit 3 times.
Shot the balls.
Shot in the nipple. It's more like it. I'm recording this little shit. Come here. So you can watch him get hit. And it's not even their respawn point. Hey, letting you know, your respawn point is in the building on the far right, not this one. Yes. This kid got hit so many times and he never called it. It makes me mad, and that's how it was. These guys just sat there, not calling hits, shooting people in point blank, even me until I bled. I don't ever want to play with these guys again, and I hope they're banned from this field. It was just an awful experience playing with them. However, I do want to say thank you for all of you who came out. I still had a good time, we all still had a good time, and see you guys on the battlefield.